In 3, 2, 1. What's up, KaARTIST? This is Faith. Welcome back to my channel. And for today, I'm gonna show you about my thoughts and my experiences about 5 things a beginner should know in photography. So, tip number 1, you should be interested and be passionate. Most of us now uses phone, DSLR, camera to capture persons, things, location, anything that we like to capture. In my case, I started capturing flowers, leaves, branches, skies, clouds, a feeling that satisfied me, and then it becomes my passion doing over and over. And that's tip number 2 comes in. You should pursue it. Research about photography, watch videos about photography, the behind the scene. I started researching photography in Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube. I was lucky enough I saw a post about online photography. That's the starting point of my photography journey. I was grateful that my entry got into top 50. It made me happy, it lifted me up, it boosted me up to improve, to continue in photography. That's the time that I meet lots of photographers because I joined walks, workshops, festivals, be mentored by professional photographers here. I was blessed and lucky enough to experience step-by-step learning process and improvements in photography. And the people who helped me, my mentors, really did good job in teaching me what to do and what should not do in photography. Thank you, ma'am, sir, if you're watching this. Thank you so much. Tip number 3, use an available equipment that you have. For example, if you have a phone, you can use phone. If you have a camera or DSLR, it's a good thing that you should use it. If you have no phone or a camera or a DSLR, there are some ways to continue your photography, like borrowing a camera from your friend, from your family, from your relatives. Or you can rent a camera. You just have to make an effort to look for a rented camera. So there's no excuse to stop your passion because you love doing it. So continue doing it, okay? Tip number 4, you should find your own unique style or your niche. In the process of learning photography, you may wonder, what do you want to shoot? What is your style? There are lots of kinds of photography, like fashion photography, portrait photography, landscape photography, wedding photography, street photography, and more. Try every of it and you will find your style. You can combine those kinds of photography. In my experience, I started street photography and then I applied it into wedding photography as my own style. You should find your own style along the way because it is important to be unique, to be known to your viewers that this photo is yours. So find your style. And lastly, tip number 5, shoot what moves you. This is the quote that I've heard from one of my photo walks in street photography that always reminding me that it is about me. It is about my photography. Your photography. So the first person you should satisfy is yourself. It is important because you satisfy yourself. You're being happy capturing that moment or freezing that moment. Every photo that you take, it is beautiful. The only thing that you need to do is to improve and to learn more about photography. Don't stop when people tell you negative things. Rather, take it as a challenge for yourself to improve. And that's it. That's all my advices to you. As a beginner like me, I am still learning. And I hope this video helped you. So, like this video, KaARTIST, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the bell button below to update you to my newest video. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Bye!